Today we're doing our makeup table.
You're doing a makeup with a new makeup kit you guys got? And what snacks are we having?
Popcorn.
Popcorn.
And cheese crackers.
And cheese crackers. Okay. Aria, is that the makeup book?
Oh, yeah.
Zara, do you want to read it? Here. Now, what does it say? What does it say in there?
I don't know.
You don't know how to read yet? What says that we should use the hair dryer and the perfume and the pedicure and manicure kits, right? So let's do it. Let's play with our new makeup kit. First, snack break. Yup. All right, so what's the first thing we're gonna play with?
First snack break.
Snack break first. Okay. All right. Zara, what's all the things inside your makeup table? Okay, there's the drawer. What's that? You're just pointing to everything?
That's not.
Oh, that's for a different makeup kit? Yeah.
It's also that makeup kit.
It's for the other makeup kit way over there. All right. So what are we going to play with first? How about the perfume? Can you spray the perfume on Zara and Aria?
I don't know where the perfume is.
It's that one right there. Grab the perfume.
This
All right, Zara, what do we do with the sunscreen? Is that sunscreen or is that lotion?
that's lotion.
Oh, okay. What are you playing with, Aria? The perfume again. You're spraying the top of your head?
Yeah.
All right.
Don't go on your head, but that's fine.
It's fine. Yeah.
It goes on our neck.
It goes on our neck. That's right.
Yeah.
In between our hands, on our wrists.
This is not even coming out.
It's not coming out. Oh man. Are we already out of all the lotion?
Yeah.
Maybe let's pretend that it's sunscreen instead. Okay.
Because the sunscreen is in.
Yeah.
We never have
And why do we use sunscreen?
to keep us good.
Protected from the sun, right?
Yes.
Yeah, it's for our skin. You mean I'll help you open that?
Yeah.
All right.
It's hot.
You need some sunscreen too?
Oh yeah.
Here you go, sweetie. That's a good pour. And you're gonna use it on your face, and where else from your face?
On my
Hands. You can use it on your neck, that's fine too.
Yeah.
Huh, is that nail polish? Let's use nail polish. I think we should do that next, right? Okay, let's do it.
Let's see.
What color do you have there for your nail polish, Zara? Is your mouth full? That's right. So when our mouth is full, we don't talk, right, Aria?
Yeah.
Yeah, so Zara's waiting. Do. That's a lot of chewing. Okay.
I'm going to do my lipstick.
Oh, you're gonna do lipstick now?
Yeah.
All over your cute little face?
Yeah.
Okay.
This one is called Flowers.
Flower pink?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And what's the other lipstick called? Maybe it's just regular flower pink, right? Oh, wow, that's such pretty makeup on your face, Aria. Is that the lipstick? What color is that lipstick?
Pink.
It's pink. It looks really pretty.
I don't know what it's all mimic.
It's okay. All right, let's go ahead and paint our fingernails, girls.
I don't know how.
You don't know how? Yeah, you do.
No, I don't.
Aria, do you know how to paint your fingernails?
No.
You don't? Oh,
Yes, I
man.
do.
How are we going to learn? I think Mama's on a walk right now, right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So
But where's Mama?
maybe she'll teach us when she gets back. Oh, you're doing your blush next, Aria?
Yeah.
All right, what color are you going to do?
Pink.
Pink, okay.
Where's the
Oh,
blush?
there's a drawer there? Yeah, give her the pink blush. That's going to be so pretty.
I dropped it.
It's okay. Accidents happen, right, girls?
Mm-hmm.
What are you going to do next, Zara? More perfume again. Again. All right, that's enough perfume. I think we should do the nail polish, or you should do the other makeup on your face. Like maybe over your eyelashes or something. Dada doesn't know what it's called, though. you know what it's called?
No.
No.
Lipstick.
It's lipstick?
Yeah.
Okay, I forgot. Zara's doing lipstick now. Okay, so what's next after these three? Wait. I think we have to do a look in the mirror and see how we look. How does it look?
Cute.
Cute? Okay.
And I'm gonna look in this baby mirror.
The baby mirror on top. It's cute in there too. All right, what's that? Nail polish? All right, let's go ahead and do it. Let's go ahead and paint our fingernails now. You can do the other color of nail polish?
I'm gonna do sesame.
Okay.
Daddy, I'll open this.
I'll open that while Zara's painting her nail polish.
Open that.
Okay.
I think we should buy some sesame.
We should buy what?
We're gonna buy more sunscreen because these ones are out.
Oh, more sunscreen. That's a smart idea. Because we're going to be in Florida, right?
Oh, we got
Florida.
some more.
Oh, you already bought some more, Aria?
Yeah.
That was so fast. What are you doing, Zara? Are you blowing your fingernails so that they dry quicker? That's so smart. And that's what we do when we paint our fingernails, right, girls?
Fine.
Did you just blow dry your hair, Aria?
Yeah.
Can you do it again? I think there's a little bit of frizz.
Oh, so I'm taking it.
Oh, Zara's blow drying her hair? Wow, that's a fast blow dryer, isn't it? Super strong.
I was, not these.
Not those? All right. Are you guys done for the day? You want to still do makeup and stuff? Well, I think all of our friends who are watching us, they're probably tired. So let's say thanks for watching Zach Kids, and we'll see you next time, okay?
I forgot to do that.
Okay. You can brush first, and then we'll say it, okay? All right.
I just got to do that.
You forgot to brush too?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, it's okay. Zara, do you want to use that other brush?
I do this.
You don't? Okay.
I don't know how to open it with my finger.
It's okay. We'll learn. We're still growing, right? We're still toddlers. So it takes time to learn. All right. Well, let's go ahead and say thank you for...
I have to put my sunscreen on.
You don't want to get off this? You love doing it?
I don't want to get off of it.
You love it? Okay.
Yeah, I don't want it.
All right. Well, Dad is going to say it, and then you can say it after that, okay? All right. Say thanks for watching Zach Kids. We'll see you next time.
Daddy, first I have to finish my stack, and then we'll say it, okay?
Okay. All right. Aria, can you say it because you're finished with your snack?
I can't do my snack yet.
You're going to do your snack again, too?
Yeah.
Oh, Zara's going to hand you your snack so that you can actually eat it first.
Oh, there one more.
Oh, I think Zara's just taking your snacks. She's taking over. Zara, you have to share. Because what is sharing? Sharing is?
Daddy, I'm just taking a little
Okay, you
bit.
can take a little bit, but sharing is what?
Sharing and caring.
That's right. And we always share, especially with our friends and our sisters.
Here, Aria.
And then say thank you, Aria.
Thank you, Zara.
No, you don't have to say thank you. You're the one who shared. She's so silly. Okay.
No.
Now can we say bye and thank you for watching Zach Kids?
I have to put these ones back.
Okay. Well, I'll just say it. Thanks for watching Zach Kids. Please subscribe and like us. See you next time.